This is the RME-69, still troubleshooting the crackling noise on band 1, which is the broadcast band. So the set is switched on, and on the broadcast band, I'm sure you can hear the noise. And what I'll do now is this connection here is a link from the band 6 coil, which is in this can. This is the coil in the plate supply to the RF amplifier tube. This is band 6. Now if I disconnect band 6, the crackling finishes. Just demonstrate. Hold on a second. Now, that's band 6 disconnected. Reconnect it. And the crackling appears, and yet there's no crackling on band 6 at all. That's band 6, total silence. Band 1. Disconnect band 6. Silence. So my conclusion is that the problem is actually in the noisy LED light. The problem is actually in the band change switch, as I initially suspected, and it's that connection there. There's two rivets holding that band 6 connector in place, and they surround the ground lug, and that is actually arcing over somewhere inside the switch. As far as I can see, I can't see any evidence of arcing on the outside, so it looks like it's arcing between the rotor piece of phenolic and the stator piece of phenolic, which could be quite difficult to fix. At least I found what the problem is. It wasn't in the band 1 coil set at all. It's actually in the band 6 coil set, and that arcing it's so minor. It's emitting RF at the lower frequencies rather than in the HF, the sort of higher shortwave bands spectrum. It's inaudible on band 5, for example, and in band 6 it's probably shorting out that contact anyway, so it's not arcing. So yeah, one of those very, very elusive faults, but at least I found what the problem is.